What is up, guys? We are on our third trail of the Moab adventure. This is Poison Spider out at Moab. Oh. So as far as trail difficulty goes, in the line of succession for us, it's been Fins and Things, Hell's Revenge, and this is our third trail, Poison Spider. This is supposed to be just gradually harder and harder. What we're expecting today is more rocky ledges versus the steep climbs that we've seen in our other two trail runs. So looking forward to this one. I'm more at home in the rocks for sure, although these aren't the same type that I'm used to in the Sierra. I like to see the rock crawling, so really looking forward to that. Let's hit the trail. My goal with this video was to capture the experience of being on this trail and the difficulty of it using a lot of angles and two cameras. So hopefully you guys can get a good sense of whether or not you feel comfortable driving this trail when you come out. Poison Spider is a Jeep Badge of Honor trail, with Jeep rating it a 4 to 6 difficulty, which implies that there are bypasses but also challenges if you want them. The Red Rock four-wheelers rate this trail a 6. Aaron's Toyota is set up perfect for this trail. The long wheelbase, low center of gravity, and super low gears, he makes easy work of it. Compared to Hell's Revenge, I'd say this trail is noticeably more difficult, primarily because although there are easier options, you're still on the same obstacle, can easily slip into a position that puts you on the hard line if you're not careful.
driveway. Good job. Look at the man go.
I feel alive again. This is a really cool optional V-notch climb, and once again, wheelbase is a huge factor in successfully climbing it. Although it doesn't go exactly to plan for me, it's nice to take this opportunity to inspect the underside of the Jeep for any leaks, right? My favorite part of all of the clips in this video is this part right here where you can hear a high-pitched scream in the background. Guys, I promise this time it wasn't me.
You're good, straight back.
Yeah. Oh, I was gonna try to go around so.
You want to try to get on this?
Yeah, I got you. Turn it in right now.
Here, you got him.
Yeah, that's you got it. Okay.
Nope.
Slow, slow.
See if we can get that tire to hit pivot. Nope. Start to grab that back tire. Yeah. So hold on. So keep coming.
Yeah.
You might be able to just go straight up this line. Now he's just walking that rear driver underneath him. You can just hit that steeper ledge. You walk right up it.
Alright, I'll see if I can get a little flexi on this one too.
I know, I can't even put it in the video. It looks like nothing. You gotta take the harder line.
It's gotta be in the video.
If you ever wanted to see a camera not do a view justice, this is it. Beauty. That's our little condo down there.
I can do that.
Time to get our steps in. Dang.
Pretty cool, huh?
That's way cool. Gotta see if we can convince somebody to fly an airplane through there. Everyone's having a great time. I am sweating my butt off. Whew. Need to drink some water. I think I'll have a Monster Energy instead. Welcome to sponsor me. Let me know. You can just shoot me an email. Perfect. This dune area was really fun. It's the first time I've ever had the Jeep in some sand like this. I put it in too high and let that 4-liter scream. So that was it. Just got back to the staging area down here. This trail doesn't have a ton of obstacles. The obstacles that it does have are pretty cool. I enjoyed a lot of them. I thought the V-notch was the coolest part. Not very challenging. It's pretty much level too, so it's not very scary at all. Great views, loved seeing the arch. Got to see some loose rocks and climb over some things that weren't smooth. So overall, I like the trail a lot. Apparently that trail is mixed in with Golden Spike and maybe something else, so we might end up doing that first half again, but highly recommend the trail. Perfect step up from Hell's Revenge. We'll see what we have for the next one. Thanks for checking out this video. See you guys next time.